faculty who are present here, Lakshman sir uh, and Ravi Kumar sir. Yeah, shall we proceed to the event, sir?
Yeah.
Let us.
Okay. Continue.
Yeah, sir. Some more participants they did not attend the meeting. I'll make them, sir. I'll make them to attend the meeting. Let's wait for a 1 minute, sir. I request every student to ready with their model and ideas to present over here. And yeah, every student, please call your teammates and your friends who register for the event and uh, inform them to participate in this event. Please do it as fast as now. Yeah, okay. Let's start the event now. Yeah, who are ready with who are ready with their presentation can present now. Please raise your hand. We'll give you control. Hello, hello. Yeah, he's Srinidhi is here in this meeting.
Yes,
Srinidhi.
yes.
Yeah, are you ready with your presentation?
No, I will present next.
Yeah, okay. Is Akshay Kumar here? Hello, Akshay Kumar. Yeah. Meanwhile, Srinidhi, you can present your CAD model. Hello, hello, Srinidhi.
Yeah, Srinidhi, you can start your presentation.
Yeah,
Brother, just 5 minutes. I am changing this into my laptop.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Abhinay, Abhinay and team, are you ready with your presentation?
ఓ 5 minutes బ్రో. మా టీమ్మేట్ ఆయన అంటే బయట ఉన్నాడంట, ఆయన రాగానే స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను.
Yeah. Meanwhile, other teammates get ready and Akshay Kumar is there in this meeting.
Raviteja, Raviteja, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Raviteja,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
why you are delaying? Is there?
The participants seems to want to have just 1 or 2 minutes for their presentation sharing, sir.
Those who are
Okay.
ready, you just ask them to give. It's not
Okay,
like
sir.
prior. Those who are ready with the PPT, you ask them to
Okay,
give the
sir.
presentation.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sure. So participants, those who are ready with their presentations, without any delay, you can present it now. So the first person, the early bird gets the good amount of food, right? So if you're going to present your project at first, present your model at first, you are going to get it. Going to get good fetching points out here. So I urge you to present it at the earliest. Sorry, yeah. It seems that there is some other event, Roborace going on, so people aren't here. It seems that. So those who are available and ready with their presentations, without any delay, present your models so that you will be benefited at the earliest.
Sir, Anil Kumar, sir.
Raviteja, how many teams are there?
Teams, sir.
Teams
are don't have a count, sir. I think 5 teams, sir, and rest of them are individual participants.
Okay.
Sir, some other event is going on, sir. They are saying that I have called them. They are saying that after that the meeting they will join in this meeting. I think Roborace, sir. They said the name.
Okay. Now, whoever is ready, they can present, no problem.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, you ask them.
Yeah, sir. They are making their arrangements. They are switching to laptops.
Okay.
Is always here?
Yes, bro.
Yeah. You can start your presentation, bro.
Yes, bro. My friend is. I should call for my friend. He's not lifting the call. We are waiting for him.
Say his name once. Who is he? Let us know.
Hello, bro. Brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I will start.
Yeah, 1 minute. I'll Yeah, you can start your presentation now.
A very good afternoon to my juries and my co-participants. So today we are having Roborace. I'm going to explain what I have done in Prisma 3D. I will share my screen.
Excuse me, Amma. First introduce yourself. Hello.
Yes, sir.
First you have to introduce yourself. Are you able to hear my voice, Amma?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir. I can hear.
Yeah. First introduce yourself.
A very good afternoon to everyone. I'm Srinidhi Nayak from first year Mechanical Department, Section 2. So I am here to present my work on for the Roborace competition, which I was done in Prisma 3D. I will show you by sharing my screen.
Okay, who are your two teammates, Amma? Teammates.
Sir, my teammates are Muzammil Khan and me, sir.
Okay, you start your PPT.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Pinni. Can I know that is everyone can see my screen? Yes, this is what I have done in Prisma 3D. So I have taken 4 wheels, and these are the 4 wheels, and these are the cases, and with 4 motors. These are the 4 motors.
Srinidhi,
Sir,
we are unable to see this. We are unable. We just seeing the window. That's all. We are not able to see all the things.
ma'am, I have opened, ma'am.
ఓపెన్ చేయలేదమ్మా మీరు స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయండి అమ్మా చేసేటప్పుడు ఎంటైర్ స్క్రీన్ విండోలో స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయండి అది ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఓపెన్ చేసింది మీరు ఓన్లీ ఫైల్స్ ఓపెన్ చేశారు
Sir, is it visible, sir?
ఓకే అమ్మా
Yeah, this is clear now. Yeah.
Sir, can you see, sir, my presentation?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. So this is the model which I have done in Prisma 3D. These are the 4 wheels, and these are the cases, and I have here it is the engine will be placed here. These are the 4 motors. These are the white colored one are axles attached to the motors and the wheels for the rotate. This is the propeller shift, and here the gearbox will be placed, and this is the rear drive axle. This is the rear drive axle, and this is the forehead axle. And this is the model which I have done in Prisma 3D. Sir, I'm showing my PPT, sir. Is it visible, sir?
No, Amma, it is not visible.
Sir, is it visible now? Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I know is it visible?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. PPT ni share చేస్తున్నాను. Ma'am.
హలో అమ్మా
Sir, can
నేను
I
వినోసాను
explain,
అమ్మా
sir, without PPT? I don't know why
అమ్మా
it is, sir.
హలో హలో
Sir,
అమ్మా మీరు
sir.
కంప్యూటర్ వాడుతున్నారా
అవును సార్ ల్యాప్టాప్ సార్.
దాంట్లో స్క్రీన్ షేర్ క్లిక్ చేసిన తర్వాత డెస్క్టాప్ స్లాష్ విండోస్ అని వస్తుందమ్మా, అది క్లిక్ చేయండి. అది క్లిక్ చేస్తే మొత్తం షేర్ అవుతుంది. మీరు పీపీటీ సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే అది కొన్ని ఇట్లా యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయదు, కాబట్టి షేర్ అని క్లిక్ చేసిన తర్వాత డెస్క్టాప్ స్లాష్ విండో అని ఉంటుందమ్మా, అది క్లిక్ చేయండి. Right, now it is visible, Amma. Now it is visible.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. So make it slide share and then start exploring your content. Right. Make it slide share. F5, you click F5. ఇది వర్డ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ అమ్మా,
PowerPoint.
పవర్ పాయింటే కదా. F5 క్లిక్ చేయండి కీబోర్డ్ మీద.
Yes, sir.
Press
Click
F5.
చేశాను సార్. సార్ క్లిక్ చేశాను సార్. Is it visible, sir?
Okay. Now still it is under
Madam. F plus F5, ma'am.
Just F5 press చేయండి అమ్మా.
Amma, no problem, you can go on. It is clearly visible, you can.
Here it is my PPT presentation. So let me come to the first my introduction to my project. I have done my project for Roborace in Prisma 3D. I have done a 4-wheeler vehicle. I have taken 2 cubes, 2 cylinders and molded them into cases, wheels, axles, battery and motors. And my report is between the engine and wheels, we know that the torque from the engine, which is almost a constant, produces the large tractive effort. This leverage is provided by gearbox. Different gear ratios available in the gearbox can provide the required tractive effort to overcome the resistance faced by the automobile under different conditions. And several manufacturers have slightly varied development cycles for designing an automobile, but in practice there are some following cases: design and consumer research, concept development sketching, computer aided styling, clay modeling, interior buck model, vehicle color and trim. These are some manufacturer development for to develop a vehicle. Actually, I have not presented in my PPT because I have less time, ma'am. I don't know that we need to prepare a PPT. I'm sorry for not showing them. I just have prepared only 2 slides, ma'am. So this is my PPT. Ma'am?
Yeah, you can.
Yes, ma'am. I
show
have
your
shown model, ma'am. We know that it is better to take which have a torque should be more. And in 4 tires, quotient of friction should be more and torque should be more. Quotient, we all know quotient of friction. If the quotient of friction is high, then the tire stiffness will be better. So torque should be more, and also RPM. Yes, ma'am. That's it, ma'am. Any questions?
Hello.
Sir.
So what is tractive effort, Amma? You just now told that tractive effort. Define it.
Sorry, sir, I can't hear, sir.
Hello, my voice is clear?
Hello, sir.
Hello, my voice is clear, I think. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So,
Sir,
Sir, clear, sir. Your voice is clear.
what is tractive effort?
yes, sir.
Define it.
Tractive effect is the force. It is nothing but the force between the wheel tires and the road, sir.
So, in what way it helps to move the vehicle?
Sir?
In what way it moves the vehicle? What type of force it is having to move, push the vehicle?
It,
Okay. Okay, ma, carry on. Okay.
yes, sir.
Sir, any other questions, or shall we proceed to another participant?
Srinidhi,
Sir.
what about other participants? Where all are your participants, your batchmates, your team members?
Muzammil Khan, he is present, sir.
How many team members are there in your batch?
2 members, sir.
Okay. Can you define automobile? How you define automobile?
Yes, sir.
How you define?
Sir, can I know the question again? Define?
Is my voice is not clear?
Yes, sir. Now it is clear, sir.
Can you define automobile? How you define automobile?
Automobile, it is a motor or a car, sir. Which it is used for the transportation for the passengers or for any goods, which uses the mechanism to impact motion to the body.
Okay. Can you name the parts of transmission system?
Sir?
Transmission system. Parts of transmission system.
Parts of transmission system. Shaft, clutch,
Yes.
gearbox,
Yes.
axle,
Okay.
propeller shaft,
Okay.
wheels. No, sir, wheels are not there, sir. Clutch, gearbox, propeller shaft, axle. I know only this, sir.
Can you define the function of propeller shaft?
Function of propeller.
Yeah. You are not able to hear my voice? Is any like breakage noise? Please let me know so that
No. Yes, sir.
I will
It is
clarify.
clear. Sometimes
Okay.
it is breaking, sir.
So can you define propeller shaft function? Now it is clear my question.
Yes, sir. Propeller shaft is to transmit torque between the cases in the axle, sir.
Fine, Anna. Thank you very much. All the best, Amma.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, Lakshman sir, any questions from your side?
Yeah. Srinidhi, first of all, congratulate for participating.
Thank you,
And
sir.
you have prepared a model, 3D model, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Why did you take 4 motors for 4 wheels?
Because it is easy for me to explain, sir. I don't know more about taking. First, I have chosen six-wheeler, sir, but I don't know. I don't have that much knowledge to explain about six-wheeler, sir. So I have taken four-wheelers vehicle for an easy explanation and for my easy demo, sir.
Yeah, it is okay. 4 wheels you have selected, it is good. But why did you take 4 motors for 4 wheels? For each wheel, you have taken one motor, no?
Sir, actually, that four motors are for the rotatory motion of the wheels, sir.
Yeah, where did you see this type of engines or this type of vehicle?
Sir?
Where did you see this type of vehicle or this type of engines?
In electric vehicles, sir.
In electric vehicle. Okay, good. Okay, in electric vehicles, you have 4 motors.
Yes, sir. Not only in electric vehicles. Yes, sir. It's not only in electric vehicles, sir, but it is independent, sir.
How those will be controlled?
Sir?
How those will be controlled?
Through
On the
batteries,
way.
sir.
On the way. How the 4 wheels, different motors are there, right?
Yes, sir.
For each wheel, one motor you have given.
Yes,
So
sir.
how these 4 wheels can be controlled?
By motor control unit, sir.
Motor control unit. Okay.
Unit. And gearbox.
Gearbox also is there. You have given electrical motors. Why did you
No,
need?
no, sir. Only motor control unit, sir.
What type of the motors?
These motors, in induction motors, sir.
Induction motors. Okay. Okay, Amma. Very good. Even though you have not prepared PPT, you have explained very nicely. Right? All the best, Amma.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Are there any questions from any faculty members, sir? Yeah, that's a great presentation, Srinidhi. And we are moving to the next participant, Akshay Kumar. Sir, shall we move to the next participant, sir? Is this okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Akshay Kumar.
Bro, can you give 5 minutes, bro?
Yeah.
Okay, bro. Thank you.
Yeah. Abhinay.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
Hello?
you can present.
Hello.
Hello. You can present
bro.
you can start your presentation now.
Okay, bro.
Yeah.
Yes, Abhinay, you can start your presentation.
Sir, I'm unable to share my screen, sir, in mobile. So I'm trying that one.
Okay, Srinidhi, can you stop your screen sharing?
Yeah, Srinidhi, you can stop your screen sharing now. Yeah, Abhinay, you can start now. Hello.
Sir, I'm unable to share in my phone, sir. Means due to some technical issue, I think so. I am shifting to my laptop, sir. 1 second.
Yeah. Do it fast. Do it as soon as possible.
Okay.
Yeah, I request other participants to be ready with your presentation. Ensure that you have no technical issues.
Sir, can you say anyone, sir? Means next team. I am unable to share my screen, sir.
So,
Yeah,
then what
have
is
an
your
option.
name? Hello,
Sir.
Abhinava.
Yes, sir.
So, friend, what you do? You share your PPT to our student coordinator team. On behalf of you, Ravi Teja will operate the system, and you speak, right?
Okay, sir.
On
So
behalf
means
of
we didn't prepare the PPT, sir. We know means the information we got the to share means we should prepare PPT means almost means half an hour back, sir. So we didn't prepare the PPT, sir.
okay. If not PPT, do you have any document?
Means we have prepared the model, sir, CAD model.
Right. So try to share that CAD model and demonstrate what you want to do. What you want
Okay,
to
sir.
explain, you explain using that CAD model.
Okay, sir.
If you require any time, right, we will provide you. So meanwhile, we will go with the another team. Ravi Teja?
Okay, sir.
Hello, Ravi Teja.
Yes, sir. I'm calling the next team, sir.
Okay, Ravi Teja. Thank you.
Do we have Sumir here? Sumir.
Yes, brother.
So you can go with your presentation.
Okay, brother.
Yeah.
Uh, Good afternoon to everyone.
Yeah, you are audible. You are audible. You can go with your presentation. Faculty are listening to you. Yeah, we wish you all the best. Come on.
This is the presentation. This is a four-wheeler. It's a robo car, which is powered by four motors. And the red color which you are seeing attached to the wheels, these are the motors. And the red color blocks, those are the power connection which are supplied from uh, batteries which are inside this structure. And these wheels are of a diameter 4 centimeters. And this we have an small aerodynamic structure here, because the front end of the vehicle is somewhat shifted to the downwards to oppose the air force. And here you can see this cylinder, which is an antenna. This whole car is remotely controlled. And that's all, brother. My presentation. Hello.
Yeah, bro, you can demonstrate each and every part. Yeah, how you assemble the parts, and why did you use motors, especially for like independent motors for independent wheels, right? So you can explain each and every part, bro.
So I have used four motors here because to run all the wheels. So it is a four-wheel drive here. This four uh, uh, so back rear wheels are have immense power, which keeps in more faster way. And here we have two separate motors to two separate vehicles. Sorry, two separate tires, because these two tires are independent. They can move left to right as well. Left to right. Uh, uh, Left to right. These are independent. So in our race, when there will be a corner or turn, we can easily work through this. And inside this we have a batteries, which I cannot show because I have not learned this app that much. That's all. Uh, you can see these are the power supply from battery. Inside there is a circuit, and power source. The from the source, these four motors are getting energy. Those are wholly independent, and they work as much as I will give the remote control. And here this antenna helps me to uh, helps me to run this car from far distance. This is radioactive. That's all. Thank you, brother. Thank you for
Yeah,
giving me this
yeah,
opportunity.
good, Sumir. Good, Sumir. That's great. That's great way of reflecting your innovative thoughts in your CAD model. Now I would like to ask faculty mentors for their question answer session and good suggestions. Naresh sir, if you have some queries to ask, you can go ahead, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Sumit, can you switch on your video, please? Once switch on your video, Sumit.
Yeah, yes, sir. 1 second.
Fine. If you are facing problems, please leave it. Okay. Thank you, Amma. Which software you have adopted for building that model?
Sir, Prisma 3D app, which is inbuilt in phone. I have downloaded from Play Store.
Okay. What is the advantage of that software?
Sir, the advantage of that software, without having a great personal computer or laptop, we can make a design, simple design in a laptop. Sorry, in a phone, at any place. It's offline, so it's easy to do in a phone, and it is much more affordable.
Okay. Can you name your title? What is the title of your presentation?
Sir, I have titled it as a tag, TAG.
Title of your topic. I didn't get you the title. Please, can you once
Tag,
again reveal?
tag. It's the name of the title. The title is TAG tag.
So you have explained that at around 5 to I think 8 to 10 minutes. Can you allow like just a glimpse? You just made short on short. You just made it by 2 to 3 sentences completely. What you have explained.
Okay, sir.
Just 1 to 2, 3 sentences. 2 to 3 sentences.
I have made a simple car, which is aerodynamically good, which opposes the upcoming Air Force, and it goes in a great manner. It has independent wheels on it, so I can control easily at any turn or any corner in the racetrack. And the wheels are powered with a powerful motors, powerful electric DC motors, which are 24 volts, and they have been supplied with 24 volts battery also, which is attached to the chassis inside the body. These motors power the power the wheels to run in a speed, and the rotations per minute. I think so. I might get up to 2000 rotations per minute, 2000 RPM. With those wheels.
Fine, Sumit. Fine, Sumit. So suddenly, when I'm going on my road, suddenly jets has been there, or what? How I can control that with your design?
So, sir, it is a remote controlled, and I have a remote controller in my hand, and it has it is same as our toy cars, which moves front. We have two joysticks. One joystick allows to me to move front. That means it accelerates, and one joysticks which is helpful for reverse and left and right. If I have to brake, I have to press the decelerate joysticks, which brings my car into reverse mode, and it stops. It does not have physical brakes.
Fine, Sumit. Can you differentiate between clutch and brake? How you differentiate between clutch and brake?
Clutch and brake, sir. Actually, I don't have any gearbox in my electric vehicle, so I don't need any clutch to shift the gears. It is totally electric powered. Clutch and brakes. Clutch is useful for changing gears, and gears are helpful to increase the power in my vehicle and use fuel as efficiently. Brakes are used to stop the vehicle.
Fine, Nana. Sumit, I wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
What about other person? Who is your other batchmate?
Sir, I am solo, sir.
You are only one. No? Okay, thank you, Nana. All the very best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you for
So
giving me
over
this
to you. Yeah, thank you, Nana.
Yeah.
Over to you, Raviteja.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir Ravi Kumar, sir, if you have some queries, you can go ahead, sir. He will be very helpful.
Hello. My voice is visible here, clear?
Yes, sir. Your voice is clear, sir.
Okay. It's Sumit, very nice presentation, and you are choosing the trendy automobile vehicle, that is electrical vehicle. Okay, well and good. So tell me the function of differential in automobile.
Sir, automobile and electric vehicle, difference between?
No, I'm asking the differential in automobile. What is the function of differential in automobile? Have you heard the word differential?
Yes, sir. Not yet, sir. I am a first year student and.
Oh, okay. You're first year student. Well. Good. Very nice. Okay. Speak few words regarding automobile. Just 3 minutes. Because you are first year student.
Okay, sir.
In general, speak few words, 2 minutes. Okay?
Okay, sir. It is a thing which helps us to travel from point A to point B. It is a commuter. Due to this automobile, we have been facilitated doing great things. If we want to travel from point A to point B while walking, it takes more time. But in the case of automobile, it takes less time. And automobile is safe and it has its own advantages. Like we can go a group of people in an automobile rather like this. That's all, sir.
Okay. Which bike you are having?
Sir?
Are you having bike?
Brakes in my car.
In your house, you are having a bike, I think. What type of vehicle you are having at your home?
Sir, I don't understand.
Em vehicle ఉంది బండి ఉంది ఏదైనా బండి 2-wheeler కానీ 4-wheeler కానీ
Yes, sir, we have
2-wheeler or 4-wheeler?
both, sir. We have both.
4-wheeler, which brand car we are having in your house?
Tata.
So how much is cc is that one?
Sir?
cc
cc, sir, it's 2000 cc, sir. 2000 cc.
So what is cc means what?
Sir, it's power of an engine.
So you are having some idea about the automobile because you don't know. You are being a first year student. You are able to answer what is cc, what is capacity, what is power, what is electrical vehicle. So that is well and good. So all the best for your future and your presentation. Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir Lakshman, sir, if you have some suggestions to give, you can go ahead, sir. Thank you. Sir, am I audible, Lakshman, sir? So, okay, Prasanna, sir, if you have some suggestions, you can go ahead, sir.
Okay, Sumit. Hello.
Hello,
Sumit.
sir. Good afternoon.
Hello. Good afternoon.
What is power?
Sir, power, ability to do work. Sorry, oh,
Okay.
the
How you
capacity
can measure?
to work is called power.
How you can measure your car capacity?
With the help of speedometer.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Speedometer.
Yes, sir.
So what are the different types of motors used in your car? Motor, which type of motor you are using?
Sir, I am using DC motors. It is of 24 volts electric motors.
Okay.
Thank
Okay, so
you, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah, Sumir, that was great presentation. At the early stages in the first year itself, you could manage to get so much of automobile stuff. We wish you very all the best for your next projects and next academics. At this point of time, you can switch off your video and your presentation and watch on to the next people. Yeah, thank you, Sumir.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
Raviteja,
sir.
A small suggestion for you while coming for the presentation, you just give them the guidelines. So how many minutes, how much time it takes, like these things and all, prior to give them for the information and all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I think people might not knowing how much time they have to give presentation. I think
we gave a time bound of 7 minutes, sir. Actually.
That's what you have. If you give this kind of instructions to them before coming to presentation, it is better, I think.
Okay, sir. Yeah, okay, sir. We'll remind them again. Sure, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Amma.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you. Sure. I hope we have Abhinay and his team in the meeting.
Yes, bro.
Yeah, you can start your presentation. You are given a time bound of 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, you will have suggestions and question answer session from the faculty, where you can reciprocate your thoughts with the faculty. So you can start the presentation. All the best.
Okay. Well, I have sent you my model to you. Can you share?
Yes, okay. Okay, 1 minute.
A warm welcome to everyone. My name is Abhinay. I'm studying in Kids College. I'm studying in Mech 1. My teammates is Mohammad Owais. I have designed this model, an electrical car which have 4 wheels and a motor. The motor is of 1 HP power. We have 4 wheels and which are connected to a motor. The back wheels are connected by a motor and front wheel is connected by a steering wheel. And we have designed this car based on the aerodynamic means designed by the aerodynamic model, so it can attract the any force by the wind. That's all, sir.
Yeah, Abhinay, you can explain the parts, right, in your presentation.
Okay, we have taken a broadside wheels so that the frictional force between the vehicle and the ground will be more. And we have taken a 1 HP motor so we can control it very easily. And we have That's all, sir.
Yeah, Abhinay, and it's a good work, and your other mates, like you are a team of three, and the other mates, if they have some part role to present here, it is open. If not, we'll move to the suggestions from the faculty.
Always.
Yeah, if they have any explanation about the model, they can. Your teammates.
Always.
Sir, no, sir.
Yeah, can we proceed with the Q&A session? And
Okay, it's okay, bro.
yeah. Yeah, I request our faculty mentors, Ravi Kumar sir, Lakshman sir, and Naresh sir, if they have any questions and suggestions. Now over to you, sir.
Okay.
Can you switch on your video, Nana? Once.
Okay, sir.
Lakshman sir.
Sir.
Adagandi,
Okay.
sir, adagandi.
Yeah. What is your name?
Abhinay, sir.
Huh? Yes?
Abhinay, sir.
Abhinay. Okay. Good. Yeah, well, nicely you have prepared the model. What is the software that you have used?
Sir, it is a 3D Prisma app, sir, which is available in the Play Store, and which is designed by a unit company.
Okay, good. So what are the different primitives you have taken for preparation of this model?
Primitives means I have taken sir, means cylinder,
basic elements. Yeah.
Cylinders and cubes and cylinders and cubes, sir. We have taken cylinders and cubes.
Okay. So you have only one engine, right?
Yes, sir.
Previously, they have given 4 motors for 4 wheels, right? But you have given only one engine for 4
yes,
wheels.
Sir.
Very good. Yeah. Okay. Do you know what is the purpose of the differential in the automobile?
Sir, I don't have that much knowledge, sir. I am first year student, so.
Okay. Good. Okay. Yeah. So there will be a gearbox mechanism will be there for
Okay,
maintain the curves. Okay. So that is not there in your first year. Okay, right. Presentation. So coming to. So why did you not prepare the PPT?
Sir, at the last moment, we know that we should prepare PPT, so we didn't prepare the PPT, sir.
So do you know what is the steering mechanism?
Sir?
Steering mechanism.
No, don't know, sir.
Okay, Amma, it is good. You are nicely you have explained what you have done.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I will appreciate for participating this type of the activity. Definitely, this type of activities will enhance your knowledge, right?
Thank you, sir.
So all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, Ravi Kumar sir and Naresh sir. Do you have any questions, sir?
Babu, Nana, what is your name?
Presentation.
Sir, my name is
What is
Abhinay,
your
sir.
Abhinay? What made you to design only that kind of outer part? Whichever the outer part you have shown as an automobile, what made you to design only exactly like that? Is there any advantage of that?
Means I designed based on a car model, sir. Means on a we have
When we are seeing your model, it looks like a Bolero kind of, or any Scorpio kind of model. Is it?
means a Jeep car, sir. It is means like a Jeep.
Yeah. What is the advantage of designing of in that way? Can you guess if you are designing such a way, what you got like? What is the
We
advantage?
have a big spacious car, sir. We can means we can have comfortable seatings.
And can you define motor principle? What is the motor principle?
Sir?
Motor principle.
Sir, there is some your mic, sir. On stick, sir.
Now it is clear.
Yes, sir. Now it's clear, sir.
Now it is clear, Amma. Babu, now voice.
Yes, sir. Now clear, sir.
Yeah.
Is it
Can you
clear, sir?
Yeah. Motor principle, Jabna now. What is the motor principle?
Sir, it works under the electrical and magnetic forces. Means under the electrical and magnetic effects, it will work, sir.
You can check it, okay, na? Babu?
Okay, sir.
Please check it, okay? Fine, define automobile. Can you define automobile in how you define an automobile?
Sir, an automobile is an industry in which we can design our own. Means we can design a vehicle or design any innovative things which will be helpful in the transportation, sir.
Purpose of engine?
Sir, engine will give a turtle to means the force to move the vehicle, sir.
So these are all very important. For these kind of things, it's not like a third year, final year. You have to be, when we are explaining certain things, you are in a position to learn certain basics. So the motor principle we can see day-to-day life. Okay, same as like that of engine also.
Okay,
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
That's all from my side.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ravi Kumar, sir, if you have some suggestions, kindly please go ahead.
Okay, no problem. Carry on. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, Prasanna, sir.
Nothing, Amma.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Okay, sir. So it's a great presentation, Abhinay. Nevertheless, the rules and the rule book and the rules given to you are more important, which could have fetch you more marks if you read the rule book and presented PPT. I wish you all the best from now on. Happy with your academics and career. Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next, Akshay Kumar are you ready with your presentation? You can present now.
Okay, bro. I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah. Yeah, your screen is now visible. You can start your presentation.
Yeah, is there any problem, Akshay? You can go ahead.
Your voice is not audible, Akshay. Are you speaking? Yeah. Hello? Hello? Akshay Kumar? Your voice is not audible actually. So if you have any problem, send it to me, the CAD file, and I'll present the screen. You can demonstrate.
Yeah, if there is some problem, we'll move to the next guy, and he can present it later. The time is running up, right? So, do we have Rajesh here? So, Amarnath, if you are here, you can go ahead. Amarnath 53. I hope I'm audible. Hello?
Yes, Ravi, you are audible.
Yeah. 53 Amarnath. G Amarnath.
Bro,
Come again.
hello.
Yeah. You can present.
Bro, your voice is not clear, bro. For me.
I'm audible now. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, you can go ahead with your presentation, Amarnath.
Okay, bro.
Are you sharing your screen? Yes, we can see your screen. You can go ahead. Yeah, we can see your screen. Introduce yourself, and you can start your presentation. After introducing, you are given a time bound of 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, your presentation will be followed by suggestions from the faculty.
Hello, Manath, are you speaking?
So participants, if you are facing any problems, please inform to the coordinator so that they will rectify what the problem you are having. Amarnath, are you there? If you are facing any problem of sharing your screen, if you send that file to the the person who are coordinating you, they will share your screen, no problem.
Yeah, here Akshay Kumar is ready with his presentation. So I will share the screen. He will demonstrate. Akshay Kumar, are you ready? I am sharing the screen. You can present. Akshay Kumar, or if you have any problem, you can request your teammates to present. Hello, Akshay Kumar. Your voice is not audible. Uh,
Yeah. Can anyone respond, Akshay Kumar or Amarnath? I think both are of the same from the same team, right? Yeah. We cannot hear you. I think this is the last team of today's presentation, right? So you can give the good finishing touch and you can take the award away from you.
Raviteja, this is last batch we are having in this. Raviteja.
Sir. Yes, sir.
This is the last batch we are having.
Yes, sir.
Or still any other batches are there?
Yes, sir. As of now, according to the people present in the meeting, this is the last batch, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Or else you just better call to him what if he's facing any problem.
Sir, I think he's trying to talk. I guess he's trying to talk, but we cannot hear.
Yes, sir. It's a device problem.
Yes, you can rejoin.
Yeah.
Akshay.
Yeah, okay, bro. Can I audible now?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, mate, you are audible now. Yes, you are audible now. Yeah, we are happy to see that. So you can share your presentation and start. I think you know the rules. Yeah.
I can't share this. Can I send to Raviteja, brother?
Yeah. Akshay Kumar, I'll share my screen. You can demonstrate your model. Okay.
Okay, bro. Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Yeah, is this your model?
Yes, bro. Yes, bro.
Yeah. You can demonstrate. Yeah.
Good afternoon, sirs, and my dear friends and seniors. This is Akshay Kumar from Mechanical Tools. I have done this model by using the Prisma 3D app, which is available in Play Store. It supports in Android mobile. I have used some aerodynamic models like cube, cylinder, sphere. That's all. I have designed my model by 4 wheels with 4 motors and with engine which is in black color. Beside back of this, it is a gearbox. which are visible beside the tires. They are the motors. It is a chassis model I have designed. What I have suggested by uh, my elder brother. It is I have used 24 volts battery to run this. With a black color cube indicates the engine. The back of this it is a back of this is a gearbox. There are 4 wheels which is connected with the motor. It is connected with the engine. Purpose of engine is transmit the power to the wheels, and it can be by transmitting the power it can be run. It can be run the vehicle. It is an electric toy car type. It is almost it is used by it is a chassis model type. And it will be it can be also recharged by the current. We can operate by the remote controller, which is in my hand. When I can operate by this, I have done this model by my teammate Amarnath. It have low running cost and less moving. It is also a environmental eco-friendly because it has no fuel, petrol or diesel. Electric cars functions by plugging into a charge point. That's all.
Yeah, that's a great demonstration, sir. I request faculty members if they have any questions, you can proceed, sir. Over to you, sir. Hello, Lakshman sir, Ravi Kumar sir, and Naresh.
Yeah, okay. So, is your number 58?
Yes, sir.
D21 ME058, right?
Yes, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Akshay Kumar, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, you are also using the same package, right?
Yes, sir.
Prisma 3D.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you told that engine block, right? So,
yes, sir.
Engine block. How did you prepare the engine block?
By it's coloring.
Okay. What are the parts of engine block? Do you know?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. Do you know two-wheeler bike engine?
Somewhat I know, sir.
Yeah. So what do you know? Tell me whatever is known. So you have mentioned engine block as well as the electric motors. So why did you need two types of the prime movers for running the vehicle?
Sir, once again, you can repeat.
You told me while you are explaining
Yes, sir.
engine block as well as the motors you require.
Yes, sir.
Electric motors. Why did you need two types of the prime movers for running the vehicle?
We can use by engine or by motors. It it is a hybrid vehicle. You can use it any type. It will depend. It will depend on our transportation. We can use the fuel and we can use the electricity both. So I have chosen engine and motor.
Okay, good.
Okay.
So wherever it is needed, you can use that, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, based on condition. Okay.
Can I say about the two-wheeler engine?
Yeah.
Two-wheeler engine.
Yeah. Tell me. Tell me.
Yes, sir. 93H.
What is that 93H? Are you searching in Google?
No, sir.
I request Amma. I request those who are. Please switch on your video, Nana. Roll number 58. It is better when sir asking question. If you switch on video, it is better.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, can you ask next question, sir? I can't remember.
Okay. Then, sir, Nare, sir, any questions? So any other faculty can ask the questions.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Lakshman, sir.
Yeah.
Can you define the function of battery, Amma? What is your name? Akshay Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What can you define the function of battery?
Battery which can it can be charged by electricity and it is used for running cars and other vehicles. If we in traffic we can batteries can use by we can chargeable the car when we nowadays there are electric vehicles which are running by the battery. Though by those equipment I have
Can you name can you define chassis? How you define chassis in an automobile?
chassis.
Whichever, tell me chassis.
It is a frame of the cars which supports all the parts of the cars.
Okay. Can you? How much length you have taken for framing of that?
Sir?
The length of the chassis. how much length of the chassis you have taken for framing entire body here when designing your part here?
Sir, I have taken some. I didn't measure it, sir. I have taken some normal measuring, sir.
How you differentiate cylinder with the cube?
Sir?
Cylinder to cube ఎలా differentiate చేస్తావమ్మా?
So, I have used aerodynamical cube by
whichever the application you can consider. Whichever the application you can consider. I'm just asking the difference between cylinder and cube. In general also you can tell. In general also you can tell. No problem.
Okay. Cylinder I can describe the cylinder by it is a revolt of rectangle shape, and it can be.
How you define heat engine? Heat engine. Heat engine. Engine. Or in general engine. Engine. How you define engine?
Engine.
Okay, energy. Can you define energy? Define energy.
Energy.
Yeah, energy. How you define energy?
Energy is the ability to do work. It is measured in the joules a second.
Can you think what kind of energy is needed to run an automobile?
Sir?
Is my voice is audible, Akshay?
Yes,
or
sir,
any
yes,
breakage? I'm just asking if you run an automobile. Yeah. If you run an automobile, how many types of energy is required if you run an automobile?
Yes, sir. How many type of energy?
Fine, Akshay. We appreciate your effort, which have been in the beginning stage itself. You come forward and you have presented nicely. I wish you all the very best, Nana Akshay Kumar.
Yeah, okay.
It is better if another person like who is I didn't remember his name. If his contribution is also there, it is better for your batch. I didn't remember his name. What is other batchmate name?
Amarnath, sir.
Yeah, if he contributed along with you, it is better for your batch as a group.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, congratulations, Amma. I wish you all the very best.
Okay.
Over to you, Raviteja. That's all from my side. Any other faculty, if you want to ask, please.
Yes.
Hello, this is Ravi Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Sir, tell me.
Just now you mentioned your automobile, you are taking the electrical motors and engine, IC engine.
Yes, sir.
So two variety of energies you are taken.
Yes, sir.
From your vehicle. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we are using two energies means what you are telling? You told that hybrid engine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So have you come across or have you seen anywhere in your surroundings this hybrid engine car?
No, sir. I didn't see, but I wanted to build a vehicle like that in future.
Okay, your idea is good, but nowadays in our market hybrid vehicles are available. Long back also. So have you seen anywhere that hybrid car in your surroundings?
No, sir. I didn't see them.
So have you heard about this Maruti Ciaz car? Have you heard you are having any idea about that one? Are you seen in your surroundings? Maruti Ciaz car. CIZ. CIAZ, Ciaz. Maruti. Ciaz car.
I know about some Maruti car, sir. I don't know. Yeah.
Okay. That car is an hybrid engine car.
Okay.
It is nearer in our surroundings. We come across in our Warangal also. Lot of Ciaz cars are there. Maruti Ciaz cars are hybrid cars. That means what? Hybrid car is nothing but what? It is the combination of more than one fuel.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the price move with the particular vehicle.
Okay.
So very nice presentation, and all the best for you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, that was a great presentation and demonstration by Akshay Kumar. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, sir. That sums up the participants who are in the meeting and registered for Roboracer. And at this point of time, I request faculty mentors to speak a few words about the event and the suggestions to the students, sir.
Raviteja,
Sir, yes, sir.
Before the faculty mentors, ask the student participants.
Okay, sir. So, it's always a boon opportunity to student to every student to speak some words in front of his faculty and his coming faculty. So I encourage any one of the students to put some feedback, shed some light on the event, and share your experience regarding the event and suggestions from the faculty. So I encourage any one of you to speak now. The last person Akshay, who presented well, you can speak.
Yeah, bro.
You can just share your feedback and your views regarding the event and shed some light on your learnings and so on.
Okay, bro. I have excited to participate in this event. I really excited to getting this wonderful opportunity to participate in this. When I am preparing my model, I have enthusiastic and I have very interested, and I have done that model which I have done. But by coming to my explanation, it is some not nice to me. But I enjoyed a lot by seeing the models of all my friends and me. By asking the questions by faculty, it is a very good opportunity to me for answering some questions and not and some other are not. That's all.
Yeah. That added a great value to the event, Akshay. If any one of the other participants wanted to speak, you can go ahead. Sumir will be very happy if you speak.
Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. And I have learned many things like designing in the app. Thank you very much, Raviteja brother, and your team and sirs. In in my starting phase of engineering only, I have learned a little bit of basics of engineering because of this event, and uh, it is very helpful for me as well as the other students. Uh, Designing is one of the major part in mechanical engineering, as far as I know, from starting to build a structure to giving it up, giving finishing touch to it. Designing involves in it. So because of this event, uh, I have learned a little uh, so far, and in future, I wish I will also learn the uh, whole mechanical engineering like this in a great way. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
Yeah, great, Sumir. Great words. It definitely added value to the event. Sir, now I request faculty mentors Lakshman sir, Dr. J. Lakshman sir to speak some
Yeah.
words. Yeah, if
Anna,
some.
1 minute.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Someone is ready to give feedback from student participants.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes. We
okay,
are
okay.
happy. Yeah. Yeah.
First of all, thank you for each and everyone for giving this opportunity. Special thanks to sirs. Thank you so much, sirs. Your questions made us to improve a lot for our further experiments. And also, I thank each and every participants. Really, they have made a very good modeling because it is the first time presenting our modeling in online.